Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be unbagging our IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September. Now I believe this is going to be our last one. You see, we do have a new subscription on this channel, and I think we're going to go with that one for the box and the bag and still keep our BOXYCHARM by IPSY and also our icon box. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. If you'd like to continue to see this one, I'll be more than happy to do that, but just let me know. Okay, so let's just open it up and see what comes inside. Now, by the way, this is the only one that comes with a description card, okay? And in addition to that, if you are not familiar with IPSY Glam Bag, let me know. And down below will be all of the information and how to become a part of this particular subscription service. Okay, so when we open it up, the very first thing we have is our bag. Now, this, in all honesty, is one of the reasons why I would be willing to keep it. I love getting the bags because I like putting something together for the women that are in shelters or those that are starting back to work, things like that. You know, just put a couple of items inside. Okay, so that might be the only thing that keeps me going with the IPSY bag. Okay, but we'll see, and especially how y'all feel. All right, so the bag for this month, I think, is beautiful. I really think it's beautiful. I love the colors. I especially like the tassel. Okay, I'm just saying. I definitely like that. But it says our theme for the month of September is Find Your Groove. Okay? And it says 5 new products valued up to $70 are yours. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. So let's just open it up and see what came inside this month. All right, so the very first item, oh, I love this brand that I have, is by Kokey Professionals. And this is a gel ink dual-ended eyeliner in amethyst and matte black. Love, love, love that. Dual 2-in-1. It says this baby has it all. A fierce liquid liner on one end and a versatile gel pencil liner on the other. The intense formulas are water resistant and smudge proof, ensuring your eye look stays put all day and night. Use it to create everything from thin lines to thick flicks. And this one is a full-size product, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price for it is $10. It's very difficult to find liners for $10, let alone a dual liner, okay? But nonetheless, I find this to be very interesting. It says this is actually for the ink liner, it is 0.15 ounces, and for the gel liner it's 0.009 ounces. It says fluid ounces, but how do you get a fluid ounce out of something that's a solid? I just don't understand that part. But nonetheless, and it says this one is animal test free, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, I do like this dual situation here, and I'm pretty sure my daughter's going to use it very, very soon, so opening it may not be an issue. Okay, so I'll let you know in a few minutes, all right? And then we can swatch it and see what it's like. So that is item number 1. Then item number 2 is this one right here. And this is the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask 2 times with super volcanic clusters. Okay, let's read on because I'm not sure what that means yet. It says, this face mask is on a serious pore clearing mission powered by absorbent Jeju volcanic clusters, finely ground hardened volcanic lava, and lactic acid. It helps clear pores while it exfoliates. Okay, I'm here for that. All right, now it says, smooth the mask onto your clean, dry skin and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. All right. And if you were to purchase this in a full size, which is 100 milliliters, it would be $16. Okay. Now this one is a 0.67 fluid ounce size. And it does state that it is a wash-off mask, as we just found out. And it has a 9-month shelf life. Okay. This is very interesting. All right. Now, the only thing is it does not tell me here if it is a vegan or cruelty-free product. So I'm just going to say right off the bat that it is not. Because it is not listed. All right. So this one is item number 2, 9-month shelf life, not ready to open it yet. Okay. So let's keep right on going. The next item that we have is actually, it's this product right here, and it's by Levito, and it's the aromatic body lotion in patchouli and vanilla. It says this decadent body lotion not only nourishes and hydrates your skin, but it also leaves behind the sweet and earthy fragrance of patchouli and vanilla. Formulated with organic shea butter, aloe, and jojoba, this soothing cream will have your skin feeling smooth and supple in no time. All right. And the tip says massage this lotion all over your clean, damp skin until absorbed. Now, if we were to purchase this as a full size, it would be 120 milliliters and the price would be $19. Okay, now this one is a 30 milliliter size, and it says hydrate, nourish, and protect, dermatologically tested, and it's for all skin types. All right, and it is PETA approved. And it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay. I think we'll probably open this one because I do try to keep, lotion in my purse. Oh, it's more in here than I thought. Okay. So maybe this one is going to go into one of the IPSY bags that we give out. Although I do have a teacher that she really loves hand lotion, and she says she has to wash her hands numerous times a day now, and so she says she really loves to keep lotion in her purse. So we were talking about it one day, and the lotion that she had in her purse at the time was just about empty. So I have made it a point to give her lotion every quarter. So this one may even go into hers. But nonetheless, I just want to give. So let's keep it going. The next item that I have, is this one right here. And this is by Beauty for Real. And this is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Twilight. And it says it really doesn't get any better than this glistening, soft plum shade. One swipe of this multi-dimensional liquid eyeshadow would have you shining bright into the night. Plus, the ultra long wear formula means you don't have to worry about touch-ups or creasing. I love that. Love, love, love that. Okay, and it says that this is a full size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $24. It says swipe the eyeshadow wand over your lid and blend with a brush or your fingertips. Now, this is close to what I'm wearing now. So, what you think? Yes? I'll try and put a picture up here without my glasses on so you could kind of see it, because if it is, this one will probably go into a bag for one of the ladies. All right, it is a cruelty-free product, and it is vegan as well, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, I do think this shade is beautiful though. What do you think? Not bad, right? Okay, and we have one more item inside. Oh, okay. And this one is by Tarte. And here is what it looks like. This is the Amazonian Clay 16-Hour Foundation in 51S Deep Sand, and it says it's never been easier to whip up your best base. This whipped mousse foundation glides on like silk and blends seamlessly on your skin. The brand's poreless technology helps to reduce the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, so you get that sought after airbrush finish. Now it has a tip. It says buff a dime-sized amount of foundation into your skin in light circular motions. Now, it says this is a deluxe sample, but if you were to purchase the full-size product, it would be 50 milliliters, and the price would be $40. Okay? So, this one has... This one right here, the deluxe sample, has a 6-month shelf life, and it says it has 16-hour full coverage. And what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Okay, I definitely want to see what this shade looks like on my skin, if it's close enough or not, because this one I can put in my bag when I travel, when I go to my mom's. I'm on my way there soon, so I might be able to check it out while I'm there. All right, so what do you think of our IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September? I have to admit, I really do love the products that are here. I love the fact that they are items that I can share. Okay, now I don't like to right off the bat just give people a cleanser or something like that. I don't want them to get the wrong impression, you know, that I'm trying to tell them something, because nowadays people can be a little touchy. So I will bring it up in conversation, and if it's something they'd like to have, then I don't have a problem putting it in a bag, you know, for them. This, however, I already know what happens with that. I am not a gigantic eyeliner person, but I have 2 daughters that are, and one of them gets an IPSY bag as well, and so she knew this was going to be in there. So right off the bat, Mom, you know, I got it. So since I know she's going to check it out, we can go ahead and swatch it and see what it's like. Okay, now I must admit that this shade probably would have gone very well with the liquid eyeshadow this month. But let's swatch it and see. Look at that tip. Look at that tip right there. And let's see. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right. And then let's just check out the gel pencil. Oh, that is such a beautiful shade. And that's what that one looks like. Can you see it okay? It's beautiful. All right, so that is done. So let me know your thoughts down below. If this is something that you would like to continue to see on this channel, you know, let me know your thoughts about the bags. Now, we've given away about 40 bags because I have, you know, put it out there about what I like to do. And so I've gotten bags from others. So right now, it's getting a little low on the bag. So we'll see. I really did think that this would be the last one. But the more I think about it, maybe I'll need to hold on and continue to do it till after Christmas or so. But we'll see what happens. Let me know how you feel about that. Okay? Well, I just want to tell you I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share, and share. But most of all, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.